Guess what, agents? We want to tell you just about what you'll expect to receive here at UpSurge Realty. At UpSurge Realty, you can expect that we will provide to you your signs and your lock boxes for your listings. If you're a new agent, don't worry. I know that it's a lot of money that comes out at one time. It doesn't matter which market you're in, if that is Charlotte, Raleigh, or Columbia. There's a lot of money that you got to spend just to get your key, your access to the MLS. So to help you, we've got you. Your lock boxes and signs will be included. We also do provide your healthcare insurance. So if you need healthcare options for you or your family, we do have that. Also, we have the lowest plans in the industry. We got $5,000 plan caps. That is quicker for you to make 100% of your income. What else will you get? We have KV Core. Have you heard of KV Core? Well, if not, you need to contact us to learn more about this lead generation platform. This platform is known to generate 1.5 million in sales a month. But guess what, agents? You have to be accountable. I'm looking for agents just like you. Charlotte, I'm looking for you. Raleigh, I'm definitely looking for you. In Columbia, South Carolina, you're on the map. Email us, info@leveluprealty.org. UpSurge.